New weapons. Watch a test of the Russian ShAP-6 anti-ram barrier. The projectile used for the test was a KAMAZ vehicle, with a total weight of 244,000 pounds, accelerated to a speed of 28 miles per hour. The purpose of the test? To test the ability of the barrier to stop and destroy the vehicle, preventing it from entering the protected area of the facility. The field test was conducted. The vehicle was stopped and completely destroyed. The cabin was destroyed. The engine and gearbox were torn from their frame mountings. The vehicle was stopped in the deformation zone of the barrier beam, that is. The depth of penetration beyond the barrier installation zone was minimal. Tests have shown that the product has a significant strength margin, which is a guarantee of protection of the object from the penetration of vehicles. From the test results, we can conclude that even if the car will move at a much higher speed, the result will remain the same, only slightly increasing the distance of the destroyed vehicle. This means that the test result can be considered positive. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.